Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to open up the November edition of the Curated bead box. It is called Midnight Garden. So this looks so pretty from the picture on the front, and here are the codes if you would like to see them. You can pause your video and see if you want to order any of these items. Those are the codes for them. Alright, so Curated bead box. I love this box. It is one of my favorites. And it is $20 shipped straight to your door. And you get such a great variety of beads, a great amount of beads, and I just love it. Okay, so first of all, our encouraging word for today is smart is something you become, not something you are. There's hope for me yet, right? All right, so here we go. Let's check it out. Midnight Garden. This is November 2022. And I'm going to move this up here. They have the key on the front, which is really nice. Just pull this out. And we'll see what we got. So we have 12mm neon pink crackle beads on an 8-inch strand. And that would be these. They are bright and pretty. 12mm. I like getting the different sizes of beads. I never would order, I don't know, I won't say never, but I don't order 12mm a lot, so it's kind of nice to get them. Those are pretty. Then we have 12mm petrol jade style glass beads on an 8-inch strand. Petrol jade style glass beads. This is the thing. It's hard sometimes to figure out what some of these are. I think it's these. Are those 12? Those are 10mm. Okay, well it has to be these because this is my only other 12mm bead in this box. These are really pretty. They're a very deep blue, and they're on an 8-inch strand, and they're 12mm, so it has to be these. They're so pretty. I like this color blue. It's a very, very deep, beautiful blue. Okay. Then we have 10mm dark midnight crackle glass bead on an 8-inch strand. That would be this. Look how pretty these are. I like crackle glass. I really do. So pretty. Okay. Then we have 10mm purple / petrol blue duo style glass bead. So that would be these. The ones that I had a minute ago that I was wrong about. They're very pretty too. Really nice. Okay. 8mm gray / blue swirl marble style glass bead. I think that would be these. These are really pretty too. I'm liking all these blues together. Really nice. Look at that. I like the marbling. That's cool. And this is a huge strand too. Okay, then we have 8mm pink dusk abstract glass bead. That's these. These are super cool. Look at them. Really like them. They have like a silver fleck in them and a green and a pink fleck in them. They're just really pretty. Metallic kind of flecks in there, and the color of the bead is really pretty too. They're calling it what, pink dusk? It is, yeah, really pretty. I like those a lot. Okay, and then we have 6mm midnight blue glass petrol bead. I think that would be these. I think. These are the only other midnight blue that I see that's not a pearl, so really pretty beads. Big strand as well. Yeah, really pretty. Then we have 6mm bubblegum glass pearl bead. That would be these. Bright pink. I'm not really into bright pinks, but this is a pretty, they're pretty brights. They're not my favorite color. 6mm aqua solid color glass bead. Okay, I think that would be these. I do not see the 6mm petrol glass bead. I think this would be the aqua because it doesn't really look like the exact same color as that. So I'm thinking I'm missing one here. 6mm drizzled silver glass bead. That's these. for sure that's these. And see how they have that drizzly-like stuff on them? Very cool. 50, okay, so that's, well, these must be the petrol blue then. 6mm petrol, oh, okay, I'm sorry, yes. 6mm midnight blue glass pearl bead. Yeah, that would be these. Okay, I always get confused on this box. I always mess it up. So we've got the midnight blue glass pearl bead, and these are really pretty. I love that color. Then we have the bubblegum glass pearl bead. Okay, then we have the aqua solid color glass bead. And then we have the silver drizzled. Okay, so there, I stand corrected. There they all are in all their glory. They're very pretty. Okay, and then we have a 56 by 66mm flower silver metal pendant with bell. Wow, that's big. That's a big old flower. Cute, but very large. Really cute, though. Not sure what we'll do with that. We'll find something. And then we have 130 by 6mm fuchsia polyester tassel. You get 5 tassels. Okay, here they are. These are cute, too. Might be cute to hang one from there. There you go, 5 tassels. I like these. They're good quality. Like this thread is nice and silky and flimsy. Like it's not stiff. I like it. Okay, and then you get the findings pack. So you get all this, and then you get the findings pack, which comes with it. So this is really nice. This month it's silver, and it always has some bead stringing wire, some fish hook ear wires, some stretch magic or stretch cord, some little crimps, some head pins, some lobsters. My favorite jump rings in the whole entire world are in this box every month, and I'm so thankful. I love them. And some memory wire, and quite a bit of memory wire. So there it is, the curated bead box for the month of November, Midnight Garden. And it's beautiful. I love it. So I'm going to get started making something here in just a minute. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll know when I upload the tutorials, because that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will have a link in the description box below this video. If you would like to subscribe to Curated Bead Box, I do have a coupon code. It is Wendy35. And it's lowercase, Wendy35, and that gives you 35% off your first box, which makes it like $13. So really great deal. Good quality box. I love the variety that you get in this box. You don't get gemstones and stuff, but for $20 shipped to your store, or to your door, goodness, I need to go to bed. It's a really great deal. You get a ton of beads, and they're nice glass beads. Sometimes they do have gemstones in here, though. But, you know, usually they'll have a strand or two of gemstones. So, yeah. I mean, I don't know why I said that you didn't used to, and then they started adding them. So this month they don't, I don't know, but normally they do have like 1 strand or 2 strands. But anyway, great box, love it, good quality, a lot of variety, great stash builder, and the findings kit is awesome. So yeah, I'll have a link in the description box below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.